Oh my god, yes. I love this one. That's going to part. Welcome to episode 3 of the Crafty Upcycle challenge, and today's challenge is to find a whole outfit from the charity shop to upcycle. So I'm going to the Red Cross in Colchester to see what I can find. This colour is lovely. That'd be nice and bright. I could do like a... Oh my god, yes. I love this one. That's going to part. It's really cute. I can't choose. So this challenge is all about picking a whole outfit that works together. So I've got this mustard jumper, I've got these crop jeans, and I've got this lovely long jacket. So my next plan is to do an all over kind of polka dot over this one. This one I'd like to add a little slogan along the pocket and possibly add some little rips in, I'm not too sure yet, and fray it a little bit. And then this jacket I'm going to transform into a crop jacket. And then I'll use the rest of the fabric for something exciting. So today I'm going to be polka dotting this jumper, and as it's a stretchy acrylic, I'm going to be using Happy Flex Stretch. If I was using Happy Glitter or Happy Flock, I would use a hole punch to punch this. So you can check out our link in the description, which shows how to do this on our blog. As I'm using Happy Flex Stretch, I won't be using the hole punch. I'll be cutting on our Silhouette Cameo machine. So on the panel on the side here, I've just gone onto the circle shape, and I've drawn lots of circles all over the A4 sheet on the mat. So now I'm just going to go over to the settings, and I'm going to select Happy Flex, which is the smooth version. So it'll come under Heat Transfer Smooth. I'm just peeling off the protective layer from our Happy Fabric mat, and then placing the Happy Flex Stretch face down, so that's the shiny side down, onto the mat. And just placing this in the area that matches your screen on the mat. And then, as you can see, the arrows at the top, so that can be placed into the machine, and it can be bucked up against the first set of arrows here. And I'm just going to load that in. And now you just need to press send and send as is. So I'm just going to unload it because it's all been cut now. And then the vinyl can be peeled off of the mat. Over there. And now for the fun bit. So at first you won't be able to see where it's been cut, but if you fold it a little bit, you can actually see that the dots have been cut. So I'm just going to use a weeding tool, and you can just pull this back using the tool and using your fingers as well. And as you can see, it's the most satisfying bit. You can just pull away to reveal your dots. I've already cut some of my dots up from the A4 sheet of vinyl that I've just cut. And now I just need to cut them all individually so I can place them onto the jumper. So today I'm using the Happy Press 2.1, but you can also use your iron at home. So first up, I'm just going to pre-press my jumper on a light heat because it is acrylic. So now I'm ready to add my polka dots. So they just need to be placed shiny side up onto your jumper. So I'm just going to place these all in a random order. It doesn't need to be a certain way. That's the best part about it. You can never go wrong with it. So you might need about 15 seconds because of this material. And then as soon as it's ready, it will beep. Lovely. And then you can carry on with the rest of the jumper. So now all of the dots are fairly cool. They should all be, cool to touch. So now we can start peeling off the top plastic carrier. So I've now taken the plastic carrier off of each dot, and they've all done really well. There's just one dot that didn't quite get enough heat, so now you can just press that again with the greaseproof paper on top. So now I've done all of the front. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below what kind of challenge you want us to do next.